Enhancing construction efficiency starts with choosing quality excavator parts. Choosing quality excavator parts is crucial in every construction. Our accessories are made of high-strength steel and undergo strict quality testing to ensure that they remain strong and durable under various harsh environments. High-quality raw materials not only enhance the wear resistance of the accessories, but also significantly extend the service life, so that your construction is more efficient. By choosing us, you are choosing a high-standard construction experience.